Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nazalizam Yaakob from BA1195E, and today we are presenting about the operation management of Toyota company. So first thing first is the main objective of operation management Toyota is to reduce waste from production. So the operation management Toyota is responsible to production of any goods and service that's sold by the company. So the challenges is to minimize the waste and maximize the production at the same time. So there are few steps to choose strategy. Choose the best strategy is examining existing strategy, examining the best and most efficient strategy. So there are few techniques that helps the company improve their production, which are lean manufacturing, Six Sigma, Kaizen, theory of constraint, and the last one is Honshinkanri. And I believe that successful operation manager is giving the positive side of successful organization.
My name is Siti Sana Urusna binti Azizan. So, for the first question is, why Six Sigma technique is often been criticized? In my opinion, this approach is often criticized, but it can provide an appropriate enhancement to Toyota's organizational management technique. It has been noted that the Six Sigma approach is based on subjective performance criteria. This is because the criterion of achievement often sets the normal distribution of an output curve at a standard deviation of C. As we know, the Six Sigma function is prevent mistake and decreases production uncertainty, also guarantees the defect is low and increases the efficiency of the output. Secondly, it is impossible for such an arbitrary number to give something of value to widely different goods and services that need higher or lower levels of quality control.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Afiq bin Sabaruddin. The first question is, what is lean management technique? Lean management technique is an approach to the management of enterprise that promotes the idea of continuous improvement, a long-term work approach that consistently aims to achieve incremental, progressive process improvement in order to increase performance and quality. By defining each step in a business process and then revising or taking out steps that do not generate value, it aims to remove any waste of time, effort or money. The idea has its origin in manufacturing. Lean management focuses on, first, defining value from the standpoint of the end customer. Second, eliminating all waste in the business processes. Third, continuously improving all work processes, purpose and people. The second question is, why Toyota using this technique? First, this technique deals with the removal of unweighted capital. In particular, do not contribute to the value of the commodity. Second, this technique often includes the use of resources only for programs, goods or functionality that consumer want, offering customer the highest value for the lowest amount of resources. Third, this technique also essential to first recognize certain areas that are experiencing resources waste. This is good because it will remove work that is not value adding or simply inefficient. And lastly, this technique also useful because it also cycle technique for time variation, which save the time it takes to generate output unit on a production line.
My name is Khairina Atikah binti Muhammad Rizwan. How the technique of Kaizen can improve the self-esteem among Toyota workers. First and foremost, technique of Kaizen can improve the self-esteem among Toyota workers because they involve all levels of employees in the organization. This aims to improve the ability of an individual and focus on improving specific areas based on department within the company. They can share the knowledge, shows the confidence to talk with the client, and improve problem-solving skills. For example, improvement involves everyone from non-managerial personnel until to top management. They, as teamwork, can communicate with each other to improve the work, such as finance manager, customer service, and chief executive officer. Second, the growth mindset. They can learn to believe in personal evaluation, improve the character based on their position, and leads toward developing intelligence by constantly learning. Employees always positive and believe that flaws and problems are opportunity for more success in the future.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Wano Fatihah binti Wandin. For my opinions, among all above technique, Kaizen technique is the best quality technique to be applied by Toyota. It is because this technique focuses on incremental by continuous improvement. This technique is closely related to the lean manufacturing technique. Kaizen technique not only focus on operating management, but also focus on self-discipline, teamwork, enhanced moral and suggestion for change of all levels of the company. The Kaizen technique is such a motivational method. It is very important of the workforce in order to make operating management more efficient.
Okay, hi, my name is Rebecca Nadira binti Johari and I am from class BA1195E. So for today, I'm going to present about Toyota, which is recommendation to improve Toyota. Okay, so first of all is the innovation and aptitudes upgrade. It means that Toyota push for enhancement in advance and aptitude in its association. This vital activity involve item plan improvement for better productivity. For instance, the organization plan improvement endeavor guarantee vehicle items that have serious efficiency. This key activity additionally include better innovation that representative use for higher employment execution at Toyota. And the second is semi-autonomous driving, and this means advanced driver assistance system. This vehicle can control both steering and accelerating or decelerating. Here the automation falls short of self-driving because a human sits in the driver's seats and can take control of the car at any time. And the last one is Toyota should seek after the improvement of naturally cognizant energy-sparing items while consolidating capacities and administration requested by client and conveying them to the worldwide market. I think that's the three of recommendation to improve Toyota features.